We love the things we love for what they are. In 3 words I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. Love is an irresistible desire to be irresistibly desired. If we couldn't laugh, we would all go insane. Forgive, O Lord, my little jokes on thee, and I'll forgive thy great big one on me. These woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Never be bullied into silence. Never allow yourself to be made a victim. Accept no one definition of your life. Define yourself. No tears in the writer, no tears in the reader. No surprise in the writer, no surprise in the reader. Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or your self-confidence. Half the world is composed of people who have something to say and can't, and the other half who have nothing to say and keep on saying it. The best way out is always through. Freedom lies in being bold. Poetry is what gets lost in translation. I am not a teacher, but an awakener. Happiness makes up in height for what it lacks in length. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Nature's first green is gold, her hardest hue to hold. Her early leaf's a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf. So Eden sank to grief, so dawn goes down to day. Nothing gold can stay. The rain to the wind said, you push and I'll pelt. They so smote the garden bed that the flowers actually knelt, and lay lodged, though not dead. I know how the flowers felt. They cannot scare me with their empty spaces between stars on stars where no human race is. I have it in me so much nearer home to scare myself with my own desert places. There are two kinds of teachers, the kind that fill you with so much quail shot that you can't move, and the kind that just gives you a little prod behind and you jump to the skies. To be a poet is a condition, not a profession. Don't ever take a fence down until you know why it was put up. I hold it to be the inalienable right of anybody to go to hell in his own way. Dancing is a vertical expression of a horizontal desire. Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. The heart can think of no devotion greater than being shored to the ocean, holding the curve of one position, counting an endless repetition. There is one thing more exasperating than a wife who can cook and won't, and that's a wife who can't cook and will. A mother takes 20 years to make a man of her boy, and another woman makes a fool of him in 20 minutes. The brain is a wonderful organ. It starts working the moment you get up in the morning and does not stop until you get into the office. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued.